Here we are at the top of Black Ridge subdivision, Black Ridge Acres on Black Ridge Road. We're at the Tract 5. We have 5 parcels out here. Tract 5 is 25 acres plus a little bit. And it ends up right here at the top of Black Ridge. And we've cleared room up here for a house or two and another building or so. And if I get around and look this other way, looking out that end, you can actually see the town of Floyd. Big white pines and Norway spruce. There's a Norway spruce forest. We see part of it here. The driveway comes up through that. But there's a lot of game here, deer, turkeys, occasional bear, squirrels, raccoons, you name it. Wonderful. And there's water on the lower tracks for the game, so they come here quite regularly. A lot of hardwoods. The view up here is terrific. Of course, you have to cut a few trees to get the view, but we're at 3,000 feet essentially, 2,900, 3,000 feet. Gorgeous view up here.